Alright guys, so it's William Jimmy here. In this video I'm going to show you how to use something like this. It's a very typical user interaction. So long press, so you long press and you automatically open a new view, and that you can read things on this view, and you double tap and you go back. Got like really smooth transition between all these. Long press, enter new view, double tap, then go back. Okay, how to achieve this? Really simple. If you want like a written version of this tutorial, I also write a blog at my website, Learn Free. Yeah, and I like break it down section by section. So if you're interested, you're more than welcome to go to that website. You got like a lot of free stuff, but also you want download the code, download the source code. You're more than welcome to join the Patreon. You can download the source code, you can use it commercially, and of course you can unlock the step-by-step like all this website version of it. Okay, so without further ado, let's quickly go through this. I'm going to make it quick because I already written a like a text version of the tutorial. Okay, so first we need to set up projects. So content view, really simple stuff. But what we're going to do is we got the select index, because you have to know which part that you are selecting. So select index will be integer or nil. Okay, so basically at the very start you do not select anything, and then we're going to like a namespace, all that. Then we create a body part. So this is like a main layout will be a Z stack with a specific color, because I want to get everything covered in that specific color. So ignore save area, you can pass in the specific hex code for it. And we got like a vertical stack, and we got the different loop for different index, and select index equal to a index, and then you got like different effects. Basically it's a Z stack with a background color, and a V stack containing the expandable boxes. Okay, and then we need to got the specific box view ready, because we got like small box and a big full screen box. So we got the like small box view. So it's just to create a small box function that return our expandable box view, right? We got this Z stack and V stack. Nothing wrong about that. Just image tab field, just a little icon here. All this modifier just to make it like look nicer. And then we got like a long press. We got frame clip just to make it like more rounded. And then you can long press gesture. You use that gesture to actually receive it, and at minimum duration of 0.5, you can get like open it, and then on end. So it's like on end we got animation, and we can spring into a new view. Of course, if you want to change it, of course you can do that as well. So with animation of selected index, it will be the index, so you're passing the index. And then we use the expanded view to got this double tap view here. Of course you can get connect that to the data, and you can get like a lot of text and images, and you maybe get something from the internet. You can do all that as well. And then we got like custom color, so we can quickly like use this. So and of course let me talk about the animation. I think we got this animation here. So this will be the animation that's because if you click, you should get like a smooth transition animation. So in order to make the smooth transition between the small box and the expanded view, we use the match geometric effect. So here, this part is very important, because you can like remember we got this namespace, Okay, so basically it will match the different geometry, and we got this like a really smooth transition. It's just Apple's magic that we got to use in order to make the transition. And we got animation spring, we got this like response down effect, all that to a selected index. That's because you don't want this animation to you press here, you got animation here. You don't want to do that, so you got to do with this specific index. Right now it's like the first one, right? If you had to do the second one, it would be the second one animation. The third one would be third one animation. Okay, so yeah. So that will be all. So if you want to like download the code and use that commercially, you can join the Patreon.